everyone, welcome back to my kitchen, that is Arora's kitchen. I hope you all are doing good. Today I will tell you two delicious breakfast sandwiches. First one is Paneer Tikka sandwich and second one is cheese corn sandwich. They both are quite filling and healthy too. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. First we will prepare Paneer Tikka for sandwich. I have taken hung curd. I have removed excess water present in the curd.
The world seems small.
Add Kashmiri red chili powder.
Together.
Add garam masala.
It's so beautiful. You and me.
Black salt.
We meant to be.
Little red chili powder.
Great outdoors.
And flame salt.
Ever free.
Whisk it together. Now we have to add onions and capsicum into it. I will tell you how to cut them.
Sometimes you need to go.
Now I will tell you how to cut the onion. First cut into half.
Take a step back
Take like this.
to see the truth.
And we have to cut it in dices.
From a distance you can
See, like this. Now separate it and add into curd.
you and me.
Same way we have to cut our capsicum.
Meant to be.
Remove the bottom.
Great outdoors.
Remove this.
Forever free. You and me. Meant to be.
We have to cut this in dices.
Forever
See, like this. Like this.
like a bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see
मुंह बंद कर दो इधर.
from up here.
Now I will tell you how to cut our paneer.
The
We have to
world
cut
seems
in small cubes.
We can sit together. It's so beautiful.
This size has to be cut for our Paneer Tikka sandwich.
We meant
Okay?
to be.
Check. Close. Now I have added onions and capsicum into our curd.
Forever.
Now it's time to add paneer cubes into mixture and mix it well.
Sometimes you need to go.
At final stage, add little gram flour, that is besan,
Take a step back
and kasuri methi into mixture.
to see the truth around you.
Now mix it well.
From a distance you can tell.
Now I will tell you how to cook this. कर दिया? Now we will cook our paneer tikka for delicious sandwich.
Meant to
Add a little oil.
in the great outdoors.
Add mixture. Cook it for at least 5 to 7 minutes.
Like a bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see.
Our paneer tikka is getting ready. Till then we will prepare cheese corn sandwich. I have taken grated paneer,
We can sit together.
boil corns.
It's so beautiful.
And now we have to chop
We're meant to be
onion.
in the great outdoors. Forever free.
We have to chop it very finely. Finely chopped our onion and we'll add into corns and cheese.
Sometimes you need to go
After this, add salt as per your taste,
to see the truth
white pepper, little red chili
distance we can take.
and black salt. And now mix it well. It's quite easy as compared to Paneer Tikka sandwich. Now this mixture is ready and we will prepare a sandwich. So now we will prepare our sandwich. I am using whole wheat bread. You can use any bread, multigrain bread, brown bread and many more. First apply butter on a
Like a bird on a tree.
First we will prepare cheese corn sandwich.
I got time.
These sandwiches you can grill also and you can prepare on Tawa also.
Up here, the world seems small. We can sit together.
Our first sandwich. Now we will prepare Paneer Tikka sandwich. Apply little butter on a slice.
In the great outdoors.
Now apply Paneer Tikka. Now we will keep this in toaster.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you.
Now our delicious sandwich is ready. We will plate them now. This is our Paneer Tikka sandwich.
Great outdoors, forever free.
You can enjoy them with tomato ketchup or green chutney.